What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Really nice example of one of these cars. Really nice blue paint, Weld drag-light wheels, Chevrolet ZZ4 crate engine, 350. It's got air conditioning. Runs great. Just a perfect cruiser. The body is in great shape. It's got a 3-speed auto trans. Doors close beautifully. It's got the side molding on it, pretty true to form. It's pretty presentable. I would call this car presentable driver. The paint has its few flaws here and there, but other than that, it shines really nicely. The car drives great, presents itself very well. It's got a 10-bolt rear end. It's got SS badges on it. They did put 454 badges on the fenders. Does not have a 454, has the 350. Still a really nice power plant for one of these cars. Get in it and drive it. That's what this car is. And it's fun. Nice aluminum radiator. As you can see, the engine bay is in great shape. Trim tag back there. Let's go ahead and close the hood. Closes nicely. You get the vents on the hood. All your bumpers and chrome are in great shape. There's your Weld wheels. Door panels, really nice. Interior's in great shape. Bench seat. Nice cloth insert. Let's take the key and open up the trunk here. Trunk in nice shape. Pretty simple back here. You get your spare tire, trunk mat, bumper jack, trunk closes nicely. Whoever owned this car for a number of years took really good care of it. You get your Hurst quarter stick shifter, odometer gauges on the bottom there, water temp, oil pressure. In the glove box, you get your controls for the air conditioning. 1971 Nova owner's manual. Headliner's in great shape. Overall, really, really nice car for what it is. Great presentable driver. The body is great. This is a pretty nice Nova. If you're looking for a Nova that you could drive almost anywhere, this is the car. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1971 Nova. If you are interested, please contact us at 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where this is located. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We get new cars in almost every day, so you're going to want to keep checking the website, keep checking the YouTube channel for what we get, because you are not going to want to miss a thing. And remember, folks, Looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Hope to see you soon, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.